Hi guys, what's up? Today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-download tsaka mag-install ng antivirus. Actually, this is free antivirus called Avira. There's other side of Avira which is premium. Pwede kayo magbayad which you can use a lot of feature for Avira. But today, and let's download and install a very good free software. Okay, so this tutorial, I created this tutorial especially for Steven Sakal. Actually, ito yung picture niya. This is Steven Sakal. So, hi Steven. Hopefully, magustuhan mo tong tutorial ko. This is actually especially for you. So, thank you. So, go ahead and go to google.com and type Avira free antivirus English. Okay, I just want you to know that be sure you put English on that or type English, Avira Free Antivirus English. Kasi kanina gumawa na akong tutorial and ay hindi ko nilagyan ng English. So, na-search ko yung iba't ibang klaseng language. I don't know if that is from Korea, Japan, or from German language. But hindi ko naintindihan. But the thing is, bakit ba nilalagay ng Avira first doon sa website nila yung ganun na language? It should be English. Well, I don't know kung bakit ganun yung nilagay nila. So, so be careful kasi baka ma-download nyo yung ibang language, hindi nyo maintindihan. So, better to use English. Okay, so click yung first na na-search ng Google. Then, after you click it, makakapunta kayo dito sa website ng Avira. So, on the next fold or on the bottom, scroll down and kung mapapansin nyo, there's Avira Free Antivirus and this is Avira Antivirus Premium 2012. So, ito yung bibilin nyo, ito yung babayaran nyo on the right side. But on the left side, ito yung free na antivirus. So, go ahead and click this. Oops. Go ahead and click download. Okay. Download. So, hintayin lang natin siya. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit nare-redirect tayo dun sa download.com. So, but anyway, go and click download now. Tested spyware free. Okay. So, click this big green button. Then, after clicking, there should be mag-pop up dyan na sa inyong screen. Okay, medyo matagal siya. So, what happened? Ayun, so, would you like to save this file? There's an option for that, save file or cancel. Go ahead and save file. Click save file. Okay, after saving file, there should be a pop-up. Actually, naka-download na ako ng Avira and it's starting. It's 29 minutes remaining. So, for now, i-cancel ko na ito. So maybe i-cut ko muna yung tutorial kasi medyo matagal-tagal pa. So, I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back. So, ito na yung gi-download natin. Ito yung file. So, go ahead and double-click the Avira Free Antivirus _en.exe. So, double-click that. And do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? So, click yes. Yes, of course. So, naka-instruct siya. Extracting file. Actually, if you want to know what is this extracting file, para siyang think of yourself na parang maliit Rubik's Cube, then parang nawawasak yung Rubik's Cube and form into different file or different square. So something like that. So scan for incompatible software. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, so ito choose installation type, select a set of types. So I recommend to click this express then custom. So and click nyo din to check. I accept the something something. So I accept the term. Ask me about the browser provider. Nope. So go ahead and click yes. Don't just check that and check these. Just don't check anything that I accept the term of us.com and blah blah blah. So just don't click that. Click next. Installing components. So medyo actually on what di ko pala sinabi. Pag starting na double click natin yun, actually we're starting to install the software. So mapapansin nyo ngayon, meron ng icon, Avira Control Center. Starting component. Hindi ko nasabi kanina na sinabi ko I'm back. Actually, nag-start na tayo ng installing na. Hindi ko nasabi, I'm sorry guys. Mhm. Then congratulations, you have done full installed latest version of Avera desktop. Okay. So actually meron ka ng antivirus if you want to check. Control panel and go to your control panel. In this thing, ngayon gagawin natin, i-check natin kung naka-install nga ba talaga yung antivirus. Then so, user, update, where's that, system and security. So, let's go ahead and look for the antivirus Avira natin. So, yung antivirus natin is Avira. So, complete and installed ang ating antivirus na Avira, which is free. So, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day and God bless us all. Bye.